Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the world of photography and videography, proper lighting is the key to capturing stunning images and videos. Whether you're a professional photographer or a content creator looking to enhance your projects, a high-quality softbox light kit can make a world of difference in achieving the perfect lighting setup. Softbox light kits are versatile, easy to use, and can produce soft, diffused lighting that minimizes harsh shadows and highlights, making them an essential tool for achieving professional quality results. Number 5. Godox AD300 Pro Photography Light. The AD300 Pro is remarkably compact and lightweight for a 300W strobe. Its portable design makes it ideal for both studio and on-location shoots. I can easily carry it with me to various shooting locations without feeling weighed down, which is a massive advantage for photographers constantly on the move. One of the standout features of the AD300 Pro is its high-speed sync capability. It allows me to shoot at high shutter speeds even in bright daylight, while maintaining perfect exposure. This feature has expanded my creative possibilities, allowing me to capture stunning images with beautifully blurred backgrounds. The built-in display is user-friendly and provides essential information at a glance. Adjusting settings such as power, flash duration, and modeling lamp intensity is a breeze. It significantly reduces setup time and ensures that I can focus on my subjects rather than struggling with complicated controls. Number 4. Godox ML60 Photography Light. The ML60 boasts a robust build quality that gives it a sense of durability. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up on location shoots. The included carrying case adds an extra layer of convenience, ensuring that the light remains protected during transportation. One of the standout features of the Godox ML60 is its ability to provide both daylight balanced 5600K and bicolor lighting options. This flexibility is a game changer, allowing me to adapt to various shooting scenarios without needing to swap out different lights. The color accuracy is impressive, ensuring that my subjects look natural and vibrant. The ML60 offers an extensive brightness adjustment range from 0% to 100%, allowing for precise control over the illumination level. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to make real-time adjustments to achieve the desired lighting effect. Whether I need a subtle fill light or a powerful key light, this light delivers. Number 3. Godox SL60 Photography Light. The Godox SL60 boasts a sturdy and well-constructed design. The build quality inspires confidence, and it feels like a durable piece of equipment that can withstand the rigors of professional use. The included package ensures you have everything you need to get started right away, which is a significant convenience. One of the standout features of the Godox SL60 is its versatility when it comes to lighting options. I opted for the bicolor version, SL60EB, which allows me to adjust the color temperature seamlessly between 3200K and 5600K. This flexibility is incredibly useful for achieving the perfect color balance in different shooting situations. Whether I'm shooting portraits, product photography, or videos, this light is me covered. The SL60 delivers a powerful and consistent output, making it suitable for both photography and videography. With an output of 60W, it provides ample illumination to capture sharp, well-exposed images and videos. The light output is easily adjustable, and the included remote control simplifies the process even further. Number 2. Godox ML30 Photography Light. The Godox ML30 feels robust and well-made. It's lightweight, yet the build quality instills confidence that it can withstand the rigors of professional use. The sleek design is aesthetically pleasing and fits seamlessly into my photography setup. The ML30 offers two color temperature options, 5600K for daylight and an adjustable range from 2800K to 6500K for more creative control. This flexibility makes it suitable for various shooting scenarios, from portrait photography to product shots, and even videography. With a color rendering index, CRI, of 96 and television lighting consistency index, TLCI, of 97, the ML30 delivers accurate and true-to-life colors. This high color accuracy ensures that my subjects look their best and require minimal post-processing. Number 1. Godox MS300 Photography Light. The Godox MS300 boasts a sturdy and well-crafted design. Its compact and lightweight build make it highly portable, making it easy to transport to different shooting locations. The user-friendly interface and clear display ensure that even beginners can navigate through the settings effortlessly. The standout feature of the Godox MS300 is its high-speed synchronous HSS capability. This feature has been a game changer for my outdoor and studio photography, allowing me to capture stunning images with precise control over the lighting. Whether I'm shooting portraits, product photography, or creative projects, the HSS function ensures that I can achieve the desired results. The TTL through the lens functionality is another highlight. It simplifies the exposure process by automatically adjusting the flash output based on the camera's metering. This feature has saved me valuable time during shoots, allowing me to focus more on composition and creativity. Thanks for watching this video.